The number one mistake that you're making that's keeping you more skinny fat or whatever fitness goal you might have is not tracking data, not holding yourself accountable. What do I mean by that? I mean keeping track of your calories, taking weekly progress photos, making sure that you are tracking your body weight every single day. Because if you're not doing that, it can leave you confused and unmotivated. You won't understand why you're not progressing, and sooner or later, you will eventually give up. Now, here are some of the benefits that you will get by tracking some of this data. Number one, it's going to make you more accountable. Number two, it should make you more motivated because you always have that reminder that you need to keep progressing. You're always tracking stuff, you know. Number three, you will hit less plateaus. And number four, if you do stop making progress, you will understand the reasons why because you have the data to kind of see into. So here's my example. So the past week I've been on a cut. Last 7 days I've been on a cut, which by the way feels like the easiest thing in the world because I can eat foods like this and this and this and this. And so far I've lost 3 pounds in 7 days. How is this possible? Number one, I'm tracking my calories so I can enjoy those foods while being able to lose weight at the same time because I know exactly what kind of calories I'm eating and I know how to track my macros. Number two, I'm taking progress photos of myself, and that's only making myself more accountable to stick with my diet because I know that photo is coming. But as well as I'm tracking my body weight to make sure I'm losing 1 to 2 pounds every week. So there's structure, there's a plan, there's something that I can follow that I know gets results. And that's what holds me consistent, that's what keeps me accountable, and that's what keeps me moving forward and never plateauing. So this is also the exact method that I got my clients' results. So I'm just going to show a few of them on the screen, whichever they might be. I don't know who I'm going to end up showing, but here's this person, whoever this might be. Here's this person, and here's, I don't know, that person. So these people, they all follow macros. They're all counting calories, and they're getting to their goals, and they're still able to eat the foods that they want while getting to their goal. But you need structure and you need to learn how to do it. So after this video, you got to learn how to do that. Now, some problems that you guys might run into when you actually start tracking data and doing this is, number one, is if you don't have your macro split kind of in the right areas, like 30% proteins, 35% going to carbs, 35% going to fats. If something's a little wonky in there, you might feel a little unenergized and unmotivated, low energy. So you want to make sure you account for that. By having a variety of different foods in your diet and trying to have that balanced diet. I feel like that's what works the best. Number two, you might run into weight fluctuations. So, for example, let's say you're tracking your weight every single day. You might be 192 pounds one day and then all of a sudden 197 pounds another day. And that's most likely coming from just excess water. Your body's holding onto water. But that's why it's so important to track your body weight every single day to account for those weight fluctuations, because at the end of the week you'll have an average of your body weight and not just, oh, I'm 197 pounds, now I should freak out. That actually happened to me. For example, I'll post a little story right here and I'm not worried about it because I lost 3 pounds in 1 week. Today, which is day 8, marks 4 pounds. And one other problem that you might run into, which I'm going to tell you about because I turned off my camera already and so it slipped my mind, but when you're counting calories and you get into all of it, you need to make sure you stick to that calorie range that you set for yourself to lose weight or build muscle every single day. You have to stick to it every single day. None of this Monday through Friday stuff where you're consistent and Saturday and Sunday you binge. Most people, they count it on a day-to-day basis and expect them to not stay in the same place when they overeat on Saturday and Sunday. What you should do is count it on a week-to-week basis. So Monday through Sunday, you should be staying consistent with your calories. Because imagine this. Imagine you're consistent Monday through Friday and you're eating 2,500 calories for Monday through Friday. But Saturday and Sunday comes around and you overeat 4,500 calories on both days because you're eating pizza and pasta and all that stuff. You then return to the exact amount of calories that you started with, and it's almost like you didn't do any work at all. That's how people stay stuck and they start to plateau. Just a little pro tip. Back to the video. So comment down if you have any questions about anything that I just said. I don't mind at all letting you guys know, giving you guys some advice moving forward if you guys have those questions. So comment down below if you guys have any. Also comment down what you guys are trying to see next. What are you guys struggling with? What do you guys need help with? I'll make another YouTube video about that. So comment down below your thoughts or what you want to see next. And then last but not least, if you guys are looking for that extra little bit of help and you guys are looking for some maybe one-on-one coaching, one-on-one accountability, and finally lose that fat and build some muscle and get to that physique you're looking for, click the link in the description below and you'll book a call on my calendar and we will set out a time to talk about your problems, your goals, and come up with a game plan to get you there. Other than that, let me know your guys' thoughts about this and if you guys are going to start incorporating that. I really hope this has helped you guys in some way and maybe start taking action and hopefully start seeing progress and losing some weight and gaining some muscle like you guys want to be. That's about it. Later.